Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got another game board review unboxing for you. This time it's, if you've never heard of Careers, then it's a hidden gem of a game that I'd never heard of for quite a while, and this is a really old version anyway. It's held together with tape. Back has nothing at all, but it's a very old kind of Monopoly-ish sort of game. Remember Parker Brothers? Yeah, Fame, Fortune and Happiness, Careers. So, get this open. Try not to destroy everything. You can see inside there you've got plenty of stuff that does resemble Monopoly. You've got probably your community chest, chance card, which are opportunities, and experience cards, and cash as well. So, we've got these very old traditional sort of plastic figures which look, I think I've had a couple of other videos, loads of different games with these sort of things on them. These sort of shaped like a head and this weird slender oddball body. And with this being quite old as well, 2 dice. And like I say, a stack of money going into the 10,000s. So you start at £50, 100, 1,000, well 500,000. Come on, Blue, where are you? 5,000, 10,000. So it's different on Monopoly, but trust me, it's kind of similar-ish sort of turn-based game. Right, off you go. Pause the video, read the instructions. And there you go. If you haven't, pause, rewind, have a good read. Right, you need one of these each. It's basically a turn-based game. You start here with counters, and what you will do at the beginning of the game, you must get your formula. Right, you must think that if you're going to win the game, you need to collect, let's say 100,000. No, let's say 10,000 cash. Alright, let's make it easier, because you can only have up to 60 points. So 20,000 cash, 20 stars, 20 hearts. You will get them by ticking things down, doing parts of the game. So, dice is out, Blue goes first. Not because it does, I'm just saying that for the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1. Now on here it says motor show may spend up to 1 year's salary. Year's salary on here to start with is £1,000. So you can either do that or not. 1. Right, this is where it gets a little bit more interesting. I know it's upside down. We're probably better going up for these here. Let me tell you. I'll leave that there, you can see it anyway. You'll enter university. One of these college education parts. Use them, roll a dice. If it's your turn. Do a 2. Failed preliminary exams, lose next turn. It's as simple as that. But once you've got through, you increase your salary by 2,000. So you now tick to 3,000. So that's what your salary is. When you go all the way around the board and back up to the top again, you'll get 3,000 credits. So it carries on like that. Different one like art gallery over here, shopping spree, stock market. Your opportunity for your careers, this is the whole idea with it. You may join expedition. So you're on a space expedition. Or, what's the Uranian one? May enter Hollywood. So you can be a film star. Prospecting. But there's loads of different extra bits onto the thing. It's not a case of run around as quick as you can, get as many laps in as you can. If you have to cash, then fine, it would be a good idea. But if you put your formula, what you think, once you get to those totals, if even be more than it, once you get past those totals, then you can win. If you're going for hearts, 60 hearts, no cash, no fame. So you can play the game as you're going to get hearts, which on here are yacht, harbour. You can pay to get hearts. So if you've gone, I want 60, you've got a stack of cash, you can pay 16,000 and get 12 hearts. it's a good developing sort of game. But again, still turn-based. Roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now I can join big business. You must have, but there's also parts as well. You must have university degree. So this one you have to go through anyway and succeed. Business experience, all pay 500 for business training course. So you give up 500 credits to start to go up here. But you've got the points on here. If you land on that one, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 4 hearts, 3,000, and you collect your opportunity knocks, which is one of these cards. Opportunity to start farming, meet normal requirements, either save or sell. Other ones you've got, opportunity to enter politics. So if you want to go with politics on here, down the bottom of the board here, have a law degree, political experience, or pay about 3,000 to party funds. Yeah, you can go to politics and go in that way, get more bonus points. And your best one, I think, is your expedition, your space engineer experience, because you've got a 2,000 there, you've got a 10,000 there, 5,000, but that's if you're playing for cash. If you're playing the game for cash, then fine. If you're playing for hearts, then you've got a 2, a 4, a 10, a 4, and a 6 stars. It develops, when you're playing this better, it becomes so clear that it isn't a full monopoly. It's not getting around, it's not collecting all your stuff, it's just getting to your numbers, and you can tick off when you've been at certain places before. It's a good old-fashioned game. I don't think these are actually in production anymore. I don't think Korea's actually lasted much beyond. I had a 70s edition and I don't know where that went to, because I got a uranium miner, nuclear physicist or something. It was just a balmy game. But it's just exactly the same as this, just changing the type of careers. I mean, I think this one may be the 50s or 60s version. Let's have a look on the back of here. Yeah, 1957. So the space industry, space experience will have been way before, when the moonshot stuff was. It was an idea, but wasn't actually done by then. But yeah, it's a really old, good game to play. If you can get one of these on eBay, I don't think you'll find one on Amazon unless there's a seller out there selling one. If you get one on eBay, there are some out there, different decades, different eras, so you can play as different sort of things, but it's still the same basic game for careers. So anyway, with that in mind, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in a new video. Bye for now.